Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this latest cleaning video, you're going to see me clean and prepare the house for going away on a little holiday break. I love to give the house a good once over and get certain jobs done before I go away. But also, little sneak preview here, I'm going to be trying out the viral cleaning cloths that you've probably seen online. So stay tuned and you'll see how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to do in this cleaning session is sort out the washing. I've got some dry washing on the rack that needs to be folded and put away, and then I'm also going to put on a new wash. I love to get the washing done before I go away. I like to see empty washing baskets if I'm going away. It's just one of those things that I always try and get done.
I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too.
Okay, into the kitchen now, and I want to have a good tidy up. As you can see, it looks absolutely like a bomb has hit. So I'm going to tidy up, put everything away, make sure that the dishwasher is full of any dirty dishes, and I will turn on the dishwasher as well. So we will come home to a nice clean dishwasher. Another thing I always make sure I do is empty the bin. You don't want to come home to any stale bin smells. So I'm going to take out any rubbish.
We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning?
Okay, so I want to clean the sink now, and I'm going to use these cloths. You've probably seen these cloths all over Instagram, TikTok, whatever. They are the fish scale cleaning cloths. There are many different brands that make them. I'm going to link the ones that I use down in the description box if you want to have a look for yourself. But apparently they are supposed to make particularly chrome and shiny surfaces so shiny and streak free. So I'm going to give it a go, guys. I'm going to use my Cif cream in the sink, and I'm going to use the cloth to give it a good clean and a good buff, and let's wait and see what the result is.
We're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
For so long, I've been.
So guys, I can confirm I am impressed. Here you go, here's before and after, and I really like the way that it brings up the chrome, and actually there was a few sort of stuck on foodie bits that it got off really well as well. So yeah, first time using them doing the sink, and I am a happy bunny. I'm also going to use it with just a tiny bit of Cif cream to polish up the sink tap, and this is what I've seen on most of the videos. It's usually been taps and shiny surfaces like this, so I'm really intrigued to see how this goes. But honestly, similar to the sink, it came up really, really sparkling. And seeing as the Cif cream worked really well with the cloth last time in the sink, I'm going to repeat this on the hob using a clean cloth. So the pack that I got has 6 cloths in it. Like I said, it is linked in the description box below. So I'm using a clean, fresh cloth to do the hob.
For so long
am switching to an all-surface spray cleaner now, the Cif Power and Shine kitchen cleaner, and I'm just using the cloth to do your normal sort of kitchen surface wiping, and it worked fine. I mean, any cloth would work fine on a normal kitchen surface like this, but yeah, it worked fine to do this as well. And then I'm also just going to use it to clean up the microwave, which you can see here, but instead of using the Cif cream, I tried it using the surface spray to see if it worked any better, and yeah, I'd say it still worked really well. It came up really shiny and streak free.
Let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you.
The next job I want to do is dust, so I'm going to use the Fabulosa spray. I think this is the papaya scent, and I'm just going to walk around all the surfaces downstairs and just dust so I can come home to a dust-free home. That is the idea. I'm also going to replenish a couple of candles. A couple of my Christmas candles have finally burnt out, so I'm going to go into my cupboard now and get a couple of candles out of here and pop them in the candle spots so that they are ready to use when I get home.
Flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you.
Another job I wanted to do is to wipe down the kids' playmat, so just using the same spray and cloth, I'm just going to wipe down the playmat. It is made from memory foam, so super easy to clean.
So casually keep diving into concrete.
Now I had to show you this. This was so satisfying. I used the cloth, so I didn't use any extra spray or cream. I just used what was left on the cloth to buff all of my light switches, which are chrome. And as you can see, this was a result that made me very happy.
Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know.
Okay, I'm finished downstairs now. That was all the little jobs that I just wanted to get done before we go away. So I'm going to hoover and call it a day downstairs.
Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees.
Good thing too, because Cooper has just woken up from his nap, so I'm gonna have to stop what I'm doing anyway until Clint gets home later, because Cooper is awake and he will want my attention. As you can see from his red cheeks, he's teething as well, so he will need lots of cuddles.
When it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hot. Sometimes everything just gets hotter.
So fast forward a couple of hours, Clint's home, so I can get back to freshening up the house, and I want to change the boys' bed sheets. I always like changing bed sheets before we go away. It's lovely to come home to nice clean bed sheets. So I'm going to change Cooper's, and then I will change Leo's as well. I also love to go around the beds with a fabric freshener. This is the Fabulosa Room and Fabric Freshener, and give it a little spritz. Honestly, it smells like heaven, and it's just so nice to come home to. Bathroom wise, I'm really just going to give it a really quick wipe over. I gave the bathrooms a deep clean a few days ago, so it's really not needed. So all I'm going to do is give the sinks and the toilets a quick once over. But I am using the cloth, so I'm going to have fun buffing the taps and making them all nice and shiny. As you can see, I'm using blue this time. I use purple for the kitchen and blue for the bathrooms, and that way I don't get mixed up. Really, it's all about these little finishing touches when I'm going away. This is my favourite Mrs. Hinch trick to do to the toilet rolls. I love this trick so much. I'm just going to put some nice room sprays and disinfectants around because it's lovely to come home to a clean smelling fresh house. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go, and I'll see you in my next video.